Today's video is sponsored by Go Markets. Go Markets is a multi-award-winning broker who's regulated by the Financial Service Commission. Myself and the BD members have been using Go Markets for over 7 years now. They go above and beyond to support the BD community and their traders. They offer award-winning customer support, thousands of tradable products, and some of the lowest spreads in the industry. This is perfect if your style of trading is scalping like mine. If you're interested in signing up to Go Markets, please use the link in the description below. Thank you and enjoy today's video.
Okay, I'm going to show you something incredible. So if you're a BD member, stick around. But today's date is the 31st of October. It's the end of the month. So I'm going to have to show you my results for this month. The boring part, I know, but I've got to show you my results for this month. And then we'll move on to the good parts. So basically, tomorrow is the 1st of November. Where do we start? We'll start with my EA. So basically, my EA has made, again, 5% a month. This is not specifically from October. This is since I started my EA. So basically, with my EA, I target 5% a month and then I turn it off. The reason being is because from an investment point of view, 5% a month is 60% a year. I know for me personally, I'm not going to get those kind of returns from any hedge fund, stocks or shares or property. So what I like to do is aim for 5% a month and then turn it off, and that is it. And then once I've turned the EA off, I then use London Open to make another 5%. So my funded account, I make 10% a month, 5% from my EA. Those are my stats there. I run it on both currency pairs and gold. As soon as it hits 5%, I turn it off. And then I trade London Open. You've seen London Open this morning at the start of this video. That was London Open there. Okay, basically London Open, you take a trade, basically London opens at 8 a.m. We take the first arrow that appears on GPUSD, which is here. It appeared 7 minutes after London Open. And like I say, with London Open, we are just taking arrows. It is about looking at the bigger picture. You are going to go through periods of wins. You are going to go through periods of losses. It is normal, okay? If you want something that is just taking arrows, this is probably the closest you will get. But again, you have to look at it at a bigger picture, okay? We go through periods where it's just win, 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 win. And then you'll go through periods where it's like win, loss, win, loss, win, loss. This month, I think the first 2 weeks, we literally had 100% win ratio. We didn't get a single loss. Last week, it has been, last week it was okay, 3-2 sort of thing, 3 wins, 2 losses. This week, it's been 1 win, 1 loss. It's normal, okay? You have to look at it at the bigger picture. I've already hit 5% this month, so I haven't really traded it. The first 2 weeks, I hit 5% and then I turned it off. So my funded account, like I said, 5% from my EA, 5% from London Open, 10% are done. And then we move on to my large live account, which basically I have traded London Open. I don't know what, London Open, Mogwai reversal. I don't know why I set myself a challenge of trying to double a £100,000 account in 5 days. I literally failed it. Let me just show you here. So let me just show you in the Telegram group. So basically my larger account, I made 31% this month. 41% if you count London Open and my EA. Some incredible results so far. Let me just show you my results. So if I scroll all the way down here, here we go here. So this is my larger account. I see here, live account, my results today, my results for the week, my results for the month. So 31,000, 31% gain. I didn't double the account. You know, I failed miserably, but hey, I'm definitely not doubling this account in 5 days. You know, to try and double an account in 5 days when it comes to this kind of money, you've got to put some serious leverage on there, you know, and yes, it's a fun challenge, but when it goes wrong, it goes wrong. And when you're talking this kind of money, it hurts. It hurts. It's not something that you would want to do. But just to show you here, you know, those are results here. So as you can see here, £600. I'll show you the month as well, just to show you that, you know, it's not screenshotted or anything. You can see here, those 31,000, those are all the trades. You can see here, the month, as you can see there. So yeah, phenomenal month of October, 41% gain. It is all from the Mogwai reversal strategy. I mean, some of the setups today have been insane. I just want to show you. This is literally Mogwai reversal today, right now. So moved SL to break even, closed 60%. This system is just too easy. I shouldn't really say that, but I didn't say that. A BD member said. We'll scroll up here. Damn, that was fast. TP hit on gold. That was very fast. 11 pips TP hit on gold. I'll show you another setup here. USD 5-minute time frame. If I keep scrolling to the top here, anyone in on gold? Beautiful. That is beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. That is like a 1 to 5. 56 pip stop loss to 300 pip take profit. Mogwai reversal. Took 50% off at break even. Trailing stop loss. So this member's in a risk-free trade on Euro USD. Euro USD TP hit. Some good wins since yesterday on Mogwai reversal. Yeah, here we go here. Euro USD. It's just like I said, it has been insane. Literally. Yeah, as you can see here, Mogwai reversal. Here we go here, 21% made. Yeah, insane. Mogwai reversal strategy. I will just show you Mogwai reversal strategy. Those are some of the setups here. So Euro USD was that setup. I took it with the BD members. Anyway, the juicy part, right? You ready for this? You lot have not thought about this, so get this. So if you've been watching me for a while, you know I've traded the Mogwai strategy, okay? The Mogwai strategy is a very high win ratio scalping strategy, okay? Very simple, Mogwai signal, MACD overbought or sold, and then we use 15 and 1 hour as our support and resistance. It's a very high win ratio in and out scalping strategy. You will know in the past I get a very high win ratio with this strategy. And the reason being is because most Mogwai signals will go at least 5 pips. That one went 15 pips. That one went 20 pips. This one here went 5 pips, as you can see there. This one here went 10 pips. Okay, that one there, did that one go 10 pips? No, that went 2 pips. Here we go here. You know, most trades, if I just, let's just look at USD CAD. Most trades here, right? I mean, when the MACD, if I just zoom in here, when the MACD goes overbought, so like here, and we close below the TCA line, most trades are going to go 5 pips. So see here, Mogwai signal, the MACD hasn't gone overbought, but the TCA line turns red here. Most trades are going to go 5 pips. Here we go here. Okay, 6 pips. I'll find you some more. Here we go here. I mean, these are terrible setups, but I'm just showing you 8 pips there. So most Mogwai signals will go minimum 5 pips. When you add basic support and resistance, game changer. Game changer. You'll get signals with the trend, against the trend. Yeah, it's just insane. Now watch this. Watch this, right? I want to show you something and you'll sit there and be like, mate, I didn't realize this. So, I mean, look, there you go there, okay? Just here, you've got 10 pips here, okay? On if I just get rid of here, if I just zoom in here. So this set, you've got literally the 3 back-to-back setups here. You've got this one here, that one went 10 pips. This one here went 7 pips. And this one here with the trend has gone 30 pips, right? Watch this. Watch it. This is a really good example, okay? So watch what I do here. So see here, if we just focus on this setup here, we've got the MACD overbought, Mogwai signal, okay? And if I just bring up some price action here and I mark up this area here and we go to the 1 hour charts, look at this setup here, right? You see how it's at an area of resistance. So Mogwai signal, MACD overbought, 1 hour resistance, trade, bounce off resistance area, right? You go back to the 1 minute time frame, okay? So I go back to the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this here is against the trend, but this is the smart part, right? If I zoom in here, right, this trade here, you would have got minimum 7 pips out of this trade, 7 pips. This is against the trend. This is the pullback. This is a pullback. So you sell on the pullback, and then you go to Euro USD Mogwai reversal strategy, and look what we have here. This is that pullback here. Now, the Mogwai arrows and the Mogwai reversal arrows, even though we're reversing the arrows, you won't get arrows in the same place because they're completely two different strategies, okay? So you get a Mogwai signal, confirms the uptrend, right? We're above the EMA, right? We've got the Mogwai signal on the pullback. You sell this for 5 pips minimum, and then boom, Mogwai reversal strategy, you ride the trend up. This one setup is 3% just on that one currency pair. Think how smart that is. You sell on the pullback with the Mogwai reversal with the Mogwai strategy. You then load up the Mogwai reversal strategy and trade with the trend. Just think about it. Let me just show you GPUSD, because it literally no, what was it? USD CAD. Is it USD CAD? Which is that one that was just went flying up? I think it would have been. Yeah, here we go here. Watch this, okay? So you see here, so same again, we have got a sell against the trend, and then we have a buy with the trend. So watch this, okay? Let's go to some naked price action here, right? I'm going to mark up this level just there. Okay, so this sell here is against the trend, right? But we'd only class it as a valid setup if it's at an area of resistance, okay? So let's go to the 1 hour charts, right? Where is that setup? It's at the top here, okay? So let's have a look. Okay, there's nothing there. There's absolutely nothing. So I personally would not take this sell against the trend, right? However, we did have a buy with the trend, with the Mogwai strategy, which is very rare to happen. But it happened, okay? But what happens here? Oh my God, look at this here. Look at that there. So Mogwai reversal strategy now. We're above the moving average, right? We've got a Mogwai signal or Mogwai reversal signal, confirms the trend. We then sell. We then obviously would sell the pullback if it met the rules, but it didn't because there was no resistance area here. And then we reverse the arrows, we trade the Mogwai reversal strategy, and look at that. I mean, do I need to say any more? That is like, what's that? If you had a 7 pip stop loss, the trade is at 31 pips, 740, 21, 28. So you made a 1 to 5 just, in fact, let's just go through this one setup, right? You've made 5% here, right? You've made another, where was that setup down here? You've made another, I mean, if you want to hold the trade and say all the way to the top there, but let's be realistic. Let's say another 3%. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 5, 6, 7, yeah, you made 8% on the Mogwai reversal strategy alone. You've then got these pullbacks here. So you would have made another 1% on the Mogwai strategy here. If this was at an area of resistance here, you would have sold the pullback as well and made another 1%. That's like 10%, guys. That's 10% just on Euro USD. Buy, sell the pullback, buy with the trend, sell the pullback, buy with the trend. Let's just find one more, right? Let's just look at gold, okay? Look at this here. So gold, took this morning. So again, Mogwai signal confirms the uptrend. You wait for the pullback with the MACD, which has just gone here. Look at that. Look at that. Bang, minimum 1 to 2. That went to a 1 to 2, right? But watch this. Look at the pullback here. You see that pullback there? Watch this. Watch this. So let me bring up gold now. Right, let me bring up gold. Look at here. Look exactly where that setup appeared. Right, you've got a pullback here and you've got a pullback here. Right, if I go to some naked price action here, right, I'm going to mark up both these levels here. So let's mark up this level here, okay? So let's just mark up that level just there, okay? Watch this. So Mogwai signal there. That's where the Mogwai signal appeared. If we go to the 1 hour charts, look at that. Look at that. So on the 1 hour chart, let's go, let's go to 15. Okay, let's go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, we have an area of resistance. You can see just there. Okay, you can see here, we have an area of resistance. So touch, touch, touch just there. You can see it on the 15-minute area. So touch and touch there. If we go back to the 1 minute time frame, okay, and I go load up the Mogwai signal here, Mogwai strategy, and we go to here, right, you've got that sell here. So this sell is against the trend. We've confirmed that by the 1 hour resistance. You then reverse the strategy. So you'd sell this down to, like, you know, obviously this is gold, so it's going to be slightly different. You'd have 100 to 200 pip take profit, which is around 10 pips, okay? But again, you would have got 1% against the trend. You reverse the strategy, okay? And you go to the Mogwai reversal, and hallelujah. What do we have here? We have a trade with the trend. It's like, I mean, think about this, right? In fact, I'll actually show you. I did this exactly live with the BD members last night. I was in the pub last night, and I want to show you. Watch this, okay? Watch this. So basically, Mogwai reversal, Mogwai strategy. So Mogwai strategy, MACD overbought or sold, Mogwai signal. I sold this down for 8 pips. So this is just a pullback. This is simply just a pullback, right? So I sold it down, okay? As you can see here, I sold it down here, right? As you can see there, I sold it down. And then I load up the Mogwai reversal strategy, and lo and behold, what do I have here? Boom. I've literally sold the pullback to buy the trend. And just to show you, look here, look, I sold GPUSD and then I bought it again. Insane. Now, if you plan on doing this, let's see what's happening here. I wonder if there's any more results here. There you go. BD member took this, so I don't know what this is. Okay, here we go here. Nice little uptrend pullback on British pound US dollar. Beautiful. This BD member's in the exact same trade that I've literally just called on here. Or if I go to GPUSD, he's literally trading this. Oh, here. He's literally just took that one there. So there you go there. There you go there. There's another one. Trend up. And again, look at this. So uptrend, pullback. Uptrend, pullback. Buy with the trend. I wonder if we'd have a Mogwai signal here on the pullback. So let's load up the Mogwai signal. Have we got a Mogwai signal on the pullback? Yeah, just here, but I don't think that's at an area of resistance because it went slightly higher. We definitely did here. But there we go there. If you are going to trade something like this, remember these things. You first of all have to master the Mogwai strategy, and you have to master the Mogwai reversal strategy to understand how they work perfectly together, okay? So think about this. You mark up your support and resistance, right? If price is in an uptrend, right? I'll give you an example here, right? Let me find you a setup here. Right, here we go here. So Euro USD, let me just first of all find Euro USD. Okay, here we go here, right? Right? So here we go here. So you would load up the Mogwai reversal strategy, and you have been buying all the way up. So you would have bought here on the Mogwai reversal strategy. You would have bought here on the Mogwai reversal strategy. But eventually, it is going to get to some kind of resistance area where price is going to bounce from. And it's here. Okay, so think about it logically. Right, if I'm now trading with the trend, I want to see where an area of resistance is so I know where to sell from. Because we know this is an uptrend now, because we're trading with the trend, we would simply load up the Mogwai strategy. Oh, look, we've got a Mogwai signal right at the top of this uptrend, right? Let's go to some price action here. Okay, let's load up. Let's just mark up this area here. Let's go to 1 hour charts. Oh my God, look what we have on the 1 hour charts, an area of resistance. So I would be selling this right now down. Okay, as soon as we come up to this level here, right, look at this here. We've now got our Mogwai signal, okay? The MACD's gone overbought. You sell it down for 5 pips. Let me just show you my method in my madness. So you remember that sell literally about, well, it's about 10 seconds ago, but for me it's about an hour ago. That sell on Euro USD, Mogwai signal at the 1 hour resistance. Look at it now, right? If I just take a screenshot, give me a sec here, I'm going to post it. If we go to the Telegram group general chat and I post it, look. So this was the sell here, right? That sell there was that Mogwai sell there because it was at the 1 hour resistance. Now remember this, right? If we go back to the Mogwai reversal, we sold all the way up there, okay? MACD had gone oversold. Again here, MACD had gone oversold. Then Mogwai, normal Mogwai strategy now, I sold at the top, right? Now, okay, if you go back to the normal Mogwai, you're getting signals that are against the trend because price has dropped. But remember, be smart. Mogwai reversal strategy, we are now waiting for a pullback with the MACD. We've just closed below the EMA. We are now got a Mogwai signal to confirm a downtrend. We're now waiting for a pullback with the MACD, and hallelujah. We bought all the way up. We sold right at the top, and now we're going to sell all the way back down into this downtrend. And that is how you rinse the market. I mean, to give you an example here, I mean, yeah, like I said, you'd sell it down for 5 pips. So we've made money all the way up. We've made money on the pullback. We've made money on the pullback. We've then bought again with the trend. And now we're selling right at the top. There we go there. Game changer. Look, it's dropping down. Look. When you actually look at it and you put all the pieces of the puzzle together, it's like, yeah, this is so simple now because you're using both. Right, I'm identifying the trend on the Mogwai reversal. I'm getting in on the trend. And then I'm going to look to see where the support and resistance are so I can sell or buy on the pullback. I'm going to leave that there. Like I said, phenomenal month. I'm going to smash it in November. I wish you all the best. Thank you for watching.